Hello, right, I'm Untitled Chapter and I'll be your Nunchaku instructor today. So today we're going to be learning a free-pedaled anti-spin. So if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay, so we're going to be turning this into this, and then turning both of them into this stall combo, and then turning that stall combo into the free-pedaled anti-spin. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. Part one, what we're doing is this, okay? This is stalling from side to side. All I'm doing is I'm moving a nunchuck and I'm pushing it out that way to pushing it out that way, okay? It's very, very simple, this is. But this is going to be your first step in learning this, okay? So it's very important. So we're going to be covering this now. Right, so how we do that is we're going to need to know our upward stalls. So I'm going to break that down now. So we've got our clock here, okay? We've got 12, 3, 6 and 9, okay? So when we're going to be working our 3 and 9 planes, okay? So we're going to have our nunchuck going in anti-clockwise motion, okay? And then we're going to push up. As soon as we hit 9 o'clock, we're going to push our chuck up, okay? And if you look, that will naturally go to fall there into almost a pendulum effect, yes? So from here, we're going to get this spinning going the opposite way now. And we're going to go for our upward stall. So I'm going to leave this fall here. And so you can get this going. This is very important. This happens roughly about here or here with your free-pedaled anti-spin. So please remember to subscribe, guys. Right, so we're going to break down part 3 and we're going to put part 1 and part 2 together to get an almost anti-spin effect. Okay? And yeah, so I'm going to show you how that's done now. So do you know when we were doing this before with this pendulum, I want you to go from here to stall, okay? From there, what you then need to do is you need to come up here to stall. And it will go to fall. Much like we were doing from side to side before, yes? So we go here, here, and it falls. When it goes to this direction, I want you to point the nunchuck down, okay? So we go here, 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 yes? So 1, 2, 3. From there, what you're then going to do is when it goes here and it goes to go this way, you're just going to stall it that way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, so to get this final part of this anti-spin, could be a little bit tricky, but repetition, a lot of practice, you'll get this, okay? So instead of doing this here, okay, what we're going to be doing is basically drawing a bridge from over here. Imagine a curved bridge, we're going to bring it over here, then bring it up, down, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to one loop over, then up, then down, okay? This could be pretty tricky because it involves a good sense of timing and direction, but you've got this. So remember, draw this bridge over, up, down. Draw this bridge, up, down, over, up, down. Very, very simple. Until you can get it like this. Or you can go here, once you've got that, or you can add as many petals as you want. But anti-spins are very cool. So I'm going to show you a few in slow-mo now. Okay, so yeah, I hope that helps you, right? I hope this helps you get your anti-spins, remembering that whilst your nunchuck is going clockwise, you're bringing this round anti-clockwise, okay? So, thank you for the support. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to like my channel, and I'll see you again soon, guys. Thanks for the support.